Anti-Cena Guy the Clown, Steve the Darkness. I know you keep doing video arguing much. You do it day after day after day.
Tell them, Steve. Tell them your true identity. Surrender your soul now, and you shall be unharmed.
Anti-Cena Guy the Clown, I think you're going a little too far. You had to respond to my last video. You say I'm some kind of imposter, and that I actually have a soul. And then you say you know my true identity. Let me tell you something, clown. You don't know anything about me. I am a soul collector, or I was. And as for you telling me to surrender my soul to you, no, it doesn't work that way. I don't have a soul to surrender.
If you won't surrender your soul, then I'll just simply take it.
You guys want to settle this once and for all. Anti-Cena Guy the Clown versus Steve the Darkness. Well, you got your wish. Anti-Cena Guy the Clown and Steve the Darkness. The time for talking is over. It's time to fight! Make the best fighting win. Good luck. Yeah.